Hi, I'm Wes from West Ward Auto Repair,
And I'm Paula Ward.
and we're here to thank our customers for a great year. We want you to know how much we appreciate everything that has happened over the year and how much we appreciate your support.
We try to focus on building relationships with our customers, and a lot of our customers are part of our family. So thank you for being a part of our family, but thank you for being dedicated to us.
And we don't always hear the good things that we do. Sometimes we focus on things that go wrong, and we're here to thank you for all of the things that have gone right this year. We hear from a lot of our customers on how happy they are with our service, and we want to thank you very much from the bottom of our heart for all of your support.
And a lot of thanks goes to the team here at West Ward Auto Repair. They're the ones taking care of our customers. We communicate with them, but they're really the ones taking care of you in your car. So thanks to our team at West Ward Auto Repair as well.
I'd like to wish you a happy holiday, and here's to a great 2018.
Happy holidays.